All right, hello guys, welcome back. Today is February 20th, Friday, 8 p.m. Just a quick weekly recap and Friday recap. Um, Starting off with NQ on the daily. We actually did not get the bearishness we wanted. I'll talk about how I was able to capitalize off of shorts, but we actually ended up closing bullish. But it was a very choppy day, to say the least. We swept the previous day high, swept previous day low. It took us a really long time to get back up into this FEG. Now, I don't, you know, I don't want to um, essentially have an outlook for next week right now. I don't want to say what I'm thinking, but it does look like if we were bearish, I don't know why we would come back up into this range, and I don't know why we wouldn't just continue moving lower from Thursday. This could just be a low probability market, or it could be that we might be flipping bullish now. We'll have to see. Um, yeah, but looking at NQ today on the 1 hour, um, we had a nice trade if you trade London after sweeping highs and into this FEG. There's probably some type of 15-minute entry there. Yep. Change the state of delivery, enter, target this low, all these, this, that, and you will hit it. But what I'm more concerned with is my kill zone, which was this FVG 1 hour trade up into it, and then you have a 15-minute within that FVG, and that's where I took my short. Sweep of high, this was the SMT between ES and NQ. Entered right there. I don't have anything on MNQ because Trade was down with TradingView, so I wasn't using TradingView to place my trade. But yeah, I was able to take a quick 1-to-1 and just get out for the rest of the week. And I'm glad I did because after that, we had this insane move higher, and then we had another leg higher. So yeah, I mean, I'm glad I got out. Overall, a pretty slow week, but I'm happy that we were able to take advantage of it and we were able to walk away profitable, walk away uh, in good standing. Um, yeah, let's look at the dollar and see what's going on with that. On the dollar, you know, we were looking for bearishness off of this high, which aligns with that bullish NQ. As I was mentioning yesterday, I said I wouldn't be surprised if we were bullish, and this makes a lot of sense. Why? Um, but yeah, we got some of that bearishness after sweeping high, moving lower, and then we found some type of bullishness off of that FEG, and then we just closed. But overall, pretty solid week on the dollar as well. We were able to call this move higher and even watch a sweep of this and then move lower. Looking at ZB, this could be the reason why we're a little bit low probability. ZB ended up closing bearish while NQ closed bullish. So again, we're still in that decoupled market. We haven't yet aligned ourselves fully. Uh, you had this imbalance that we traded up into with bearish order block. Um, and then yeah, we moved lower, found support, moved higher. Very similar to the dollar in terms of price action. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, and again, a very slow week, but we were able to get in, take our 1-to-1, and get out, and come out profitable, come out winners. Um, you know, Hopefully we can keep this up next week. For now, enjoy the weekend. Take care. Be safe.